Whoops. All right, everyone. Well, 2025 Sequoia. We're gonna be doing a hatch light in it today because the lighting back here is pretty poor. So this is what we're working with right now. Most of the light is coming off the plate, hitting the roof, shining down. But yeah, we really can't see nothing. And there's a little accessory that will go right here in this panel right here and add some more light. So we'll install that today. Here's what I picked up. Found it on Amazon. They make them for the Sequoia. They make them for the RAV4 and the 4Runner. I'll have a link in the description box. Check it out. But the Sequoia desperately needs it. Comes with a pry tool, which is cool. The zip ties, a little flathead screwdriver, and the wiring harness adapter. Okay, but no instructions. Hopefully this is really cool and worth the money. LEDs, it's very simple looking, but hopefully very, very effective. Alright, so let's pop this out. I don't know which way it pops out. We'll find out. It comes up this way. Oh, there's a little tab here. It's pretty cool, it came with this. Alright, so the light's gonna go here, and it's gonna get power from the switch here. So these normally just pop right out with a little persuasion. So it's held on with these. So it's kind of press fit in there, these little pieces of plastic. This is gonna be super easy from what it looks like. Let's go with the white one. Plug that in here. This plugs back in here. All right, and then we'll run the cable this way. Oh man, this is gonna be super fast. And we just plug it in here. Try to be going, we can kind of go any which way with this, huh? Damn. All right, before I pop it in there, let's see if it works. How do you get it to work? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's motion sensitive, huh? Or is it? Oh wow, that's cool. It's got a little switch in it. All right, I'll go ahead and feed this way. We want to keep it away from these moving parts. So, let's see here. It's pretty darn bright. Probably gonna have to unplug it so I don't go blind. I think what I want to do is I want to zip tie this like that. Okay, so if you didn't know that this access panel is actually to open the rear gate if the battery was dead, okay? So if you look right here, there's this little lever here. This is actually the manual release for the gate if you didn't know, okay? Oh, pops in there nice. All right, looks good. All right, plug this back in. Damn. All right. color's a little different than that. So you can tap and turn it on? That's wild. Wonder if that's how I was turning it on and off. It seemed like I was just turning it before and it would turn off and on. I think we're gonna go ahead and secure these so they don't rattle. You can turn it off with a touch, turn it back on. Just wanna make sure it turns off when the gate is closed. Oh yeah, it does, cool. Rad. That's really neat. Alright, that should definitely, the angle of it too is gonna be kinda good. Have a feeling. We'll see what it looks like at night. Awesome. Yeah, they make one for this also, so if this works out good, definitely gonna put one on one of these.
This is a little baby cargo area compared to big cargo area. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, is it touch? Do I touch it?
You can touch it, yeah. It turns off when you close it too. So if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, or you can turn it on if you want to turn it on.
Well, that's fancy. Oh my gosh.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll put one in the 4Runner too.
That's neat.
All right, let's cut the lights off. Oh. Oh my God. Just crazy. I mean, we went from having no light before, but here's what we got. It's pretty dark, to all the light. Wow, this turned out so good. And the fact that you can come over here and turn it off and turn it back on if you want. That's super duper neat. Super neat. All right guys, I think that wraps up this video. If you want to get one of these lights, I'll leave a link down in the description box. You can just pick it up on Amazon. The link will be in the comment box too. I'd really appreciate if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button, and if you have any questions, you can just leave me the question down in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video, guys.